Exploring the phrase blotto in English. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a fun and colloquial expression, blotto. Have you ever come across this word in movies, songs, or books? If you have and you wondered about its meaning, then this video is for you. The term blotto originates from British slang and has been in use since the early 20th century. While its exact origin is a bit cloudy, it's widely accepted that the term relates to the word blot, as in a spot or stain. Just like a piece of paper absorbs ink and becomes saturated, someone who is blotto is overly saturated with alcohol. Blotto is a slang term used to describe someone who is extremely drunk to the point of intoxication. It's not a term you'd use in formal situations, but it's commonly heard in casual conversations, especially among friends recounting a night out. Here are some examples. After the party, he was completely blotto and couldn't even find his keys. She doesn't usually drink, but last night she was blotto. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary, there are several other words and phrases in English that convey similar meanings to blotto. Some of these include plastered, wasted, hammered, smashed, intoxicated. It's essential to remember that, like blotto, these words are informal. They are perfect for casual settings but might not be suitable for formal situations or written documents. Blotto is a playful and informal term in English, describing someone who's had way too much to drink. The next time you're watching an English movie or reading a book, and you come across this term, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this video has enriched your vocabulary and given you a fun insight into colloquial English expressions. Keep learning and stay curious.